Hello. Adam has created a new ebook, topic is Python. I present the ebook here. Main contents. Introduction. What is programming? Install Python. Variables. Python data types names. Arithmetic operators. Math exercises. Decision-making, branching. Relational operators, to create conditions. If statement. Example of if-else. If-else exercises. Several choices - several if statements. Nested if-else statements. Logical operators. Loops. For loop. About random numbers. While loop. Break and continue statements. Some special math operators. Arrays. Basic array algorithms. Functions 9. Introduction to functions. Function definition, implementation. Learning by examples 0. Passing by value or passing by reference. Take a look. Give feedback. First version is 0.1 and it will be improved step by step. Thank you.